Hi everyone, it's Deb. I am here to share a project share for an entry to ShirlsCraftyWorld, who is Shirlene. Hi Shirlene. I'm not going to be showing this video until probably long after she's received it, because some of the things in this are going in for another collab that I'm running. These have to get to her by the 20th of January, and today is the 13th, and I am going to do my best to get these in the mail still today. So what she wanted, USA only, 18 years older, and a subscriber to her channel, which I am, Shirlene, but I have to tell you, YouTube has been acting goofy again, unsubscribing and stuff, because almost every time I go to anybody's channel, I'm having to hit subscribe again. So I don't know what's going on, and then I can leave it and come back and I still have to hit it again. So I think I'm subscribed, but it depends on what screen I'm on. It doesn't always show it. Okay, so what she wanted was, oh, it says must send one of these. Well, I did all of them. A card with hearts on it, 5 handmade embellishments with hearts, a memory dex card with hearts on it, and 10 die cuts of or with hearts. And I did bag topper with rosette on, so she got kind of an extra one. So here's what I did. If you watch my Tuesday night lives, you've seen this before back on 7th. So that is the card, and I'll write her a note in here, but it's for her, so I should write in it, but I may write on a note, and I still have to stamp it. Then she said 5 handmade embellishments, so that is these. Now someone had gifted me these letters. Oh, before I do that, the papers I'm using, I used stuff from my stash. And guys, I kept thinking I have one iris bin full of stuff. No, no, no. That's just paper and some paper collections with embellishments. I had a whole nother tub, small tub, which I now made into a big tub. Anyway, I used a combination of these papers, which are Recollections Heart cardstock paper, 65 pound. It apparently had the dark red in it and a pink, but I think I'm out of the pink, or I just didn't cut into any new, I don't know. And then this had been cut into before too. I used one whole sheet of paper out of here and a little of another one, and I think the one I used, well, I used some of the some of the embellishments off one of the sheets. And then I used this one for several of the, for something. I don't know. I'll have to show you when I get there. And then I used a variety of embellishments, including some Stampin' Up! Punch, the scallop punch from the Heart Punch duo. I actually finished something. I finished the, someone I think had gifted me, or I had bought at one point, some sparkly bows, and the sheet is empty. There were 3 of them and I finished them, so that's going in my empties bin. And on the memory dex card, I'll show you in a minute, I finished them. Oh, and I finished these. I only had 2 of those hearts, and I don't know where I got those. They look like Dollar Tree to me. But I had this empty thing that said it was gifted to me, but I don't know what was on it. So anyway, I finished those also, which I didn't write down. I did finish finally that little white piece of ribbon that I hadn't finished in a previous video. I was trying to. I have glue strings on here. Sorry, it's from this thing. And then these I had gotten at Michael's a while back after I saw Therese, who is T Friday 77, using them, and that's where she said she got them, and I found them in the beading section. These 3 little blings are from Stampin' Up! They're new in the mini catalog, and they're called From My Heart Faceted Gems, some red and white one, and they're sort of iridescent. This little tag is a cut apart from the paper, as is this one here. I did use a Stampin' Up! 1 3/8 inch scallop circle punch. This embellishment, and there's more somewhere else, I think, are Jolie. Yeah, there's one other one somewhere. Oh, over on this bag topper. Those are Jolie's Boutique. I guess I got them at Joann's or Walmart. I don't remember. None of this was bought this year except for the Stampin' Up stuff. So this whole card was made with Stampin' Up things, and I explained that in my live last Tuesday. Almost everything else was not. I did use a foamy heart here, and I think that's the only one, and that is from the Walmart 20 foam stickers. Yeah, Walmart. And I used, I'm just going to show you, I didn't use those. I used various bling hearts from Paper Studio, Love Nicole, Paper Studio, Recollections. And I think I used a couple of these foam ones from Dollar Tree also in red and white. And I used one cupcake wrapper. I don't remember where I got that because it was loose in the box. And I used one of these bags, which looked like that except without the white in it. And that was for the die cuts. Okay, and I used a couple flowers and I put them away already. 3 white flowers. This one I colored with the Rococo Rose light alcohol marker. And then also on the memory decks, I used this little envelope and these 1, 2, 3, 4 lips. Finished up this 3D sticker from Target from probably 2 years ago. Yes, 2017, because that's about the year I started paper crafting, and the first or second year I would have bought Valentine's Day stuff for crafting. Okay, so let me start with, well, what I did first was obviously the card, but then today the first things I did were the embellishments. I have a scalloped heart punch back here in white. Then there's like a felt heart that had been gifted to me, a little piece of ribbon, which I need to write on somewhere that I finished. I'll do that later. And the shaker bits, the shaker hearts, the last 2 I had. These 2, there's 2 clear epoxy hearts, they're Stampin' Up, and those are heart epoxy droplets, which you can color with alcohol marker, but I didn't. I just let the light pink show through. So it's the white heart, the felt heart, the arrow had also been gifted to me. Then, no, I'm sorry. The white heart, the felt heart, then this heart, which had been gifted to me. Then the lace, then the arrow, then this one here, which I think I took the, it had a little foam pop dot on, and I think I took that off. This one, I used a stamped and die cut piece using the other heart punch from Stampin' Up. This light pink paper was part of that paper pad, I think, and I used the scallop paper punch. One of the cut aparts from the paper pad that has this and this cute paper here in it, which also is on here up at the top. Anyway, there were some cut apart little tags, and I put some more of that little lace up there, tied it as a bow, and then the scraps that were left are on this one. And glued down this. I did put some Nouveau jewel drops on the little cupcake liner and on the little hearts right there, just to give them a little something, and then glued this sparkly pink bow down. Now here I had been gifted this, it's like a mint green felt piece, and also this mint green and white striped heart, and then I had this mint bow. It's not quite the right color, but I thought it looked cute. And so what I did is I folded in half a Stampin' Up doily in Flirty Flamingo, so it's halfway with the white side showing, and then I put the felt round on, then the green and white striped heart, then 2 little pieces of lace crossing like an X for X's and O's. Forever is one of those beads again, a clear bling, and the green bow. This one I had a half of a pink round doily already cut, and I just folded it in half and made it like a fan. Then there is a scalloped heart that I had punched out with the Stampin' Up! Punch, but out of the paper, the paper that I used, this paper. Only there's one that has a red background with white, pink, and dark pink hearts, and it was that one. And then I had a 1 3/8 inch scallop punch here. Just put a little piece of hot pink raffia, and I just connected it. I put it through the tag and I connected it with a glue dot, so I didn't want to staple it. 2 blings from one of those packs, and this is from another sticker pack. Here it is. From, where is this from? Dollar Tree, I guess. Greenbrier. Yeah, I must have got that last year, or maybe it was gifted to me. It's got cute kitties and doggies on it. I don't remember, but it's from Dollar Tree. So anyway, and it says love. It's a little bit puffy, but not super, and it's sort of got sparkles in it, like. Okay, then down here, the last one, I have some red lace in my little bucket here, but it's sort of curls, so I just cut a little piece, and then I put 3 scalloped hearts together, a dark red paper one from that paper collection, a white one, and the white paper I'm using is not Stampin' Up! Either. It is Georgia Pacific, and I think it's 90 pound. And then this one, this foiled one, that is punched out of Stampin' Up's From My Heart new paper collection in the mini catalog now. I have this XOXO ribbon, so I just put it across like that, kind of upside down actually, now that I'm looking at it.